I don't know if your story is anything like mine, but one day I woke up and said, I'm tired of working for someone else. I'm tired of my knowledge, my skills, my effort going towards making them wealthy while I'm struggling on whatever salary they're paying me. I'd had enough. I'd had enough of the office politics, enough of bad management, enough of my future being controlled by someone else. So I knew I wanted to start my own business, but not just have a career, but to build wealth, actually be able to build wealth and leave a legacy behind. So I looked online. I'd heard about all these people making money online for years. I said, I want a piece of that. Where do I go? I did my research. I looked at a lot of different programs to get into. And the one I landed on is the Legacy Builders program. There's several reasons why I like it. Number one, it comes with a step-by-step blueprint that you can follow to start and create and build your own company. Number two, you only work 2 hours a day. Number three, there's live training. There are hundreds of hours of training recorded. There is live tech support. There are live mentoring calls. You can get help from a large community, get your questions answered. If you're struggling, if you need motivation, whatever it is, it's all there for you. There are thousands of people in this program making $80,000, $90,000, $100,000 a month. It's for real. I have a marketing agency I've owned since 2019. I would not promote this program and put the reputation of my agency at risk. Another thing I like about this program is you don't have to be tech savvy at all. It comes with a built-for-you sales funnel, a built-for-you website, a built-for-you email campaign, and an automation system so you automate the whole thing. All of that's customized to whatever business you create, whatever you want to start. It also teaches you faceless marketing, affiliate marketing, how to do brand marketing, how to train all the social media algorithms to attract your perfect customer to you. The program is the training it has on how to find your perfect customer, because everybody's perfect customer is going to be different. Another great thing, we don't cold call anybody, we don't DM, we don't send out hundreds of emails, we don't have to, because this program shows you how to bring your perfect customer to you. Finally, the great thing about this program is it's very affordable to get into. Most people recap their initial investment within 4 or 5 weeks, some a lot sooner. This isn't a pyramid. It's a business that you own 100%, which means you keep 100% of the profits. So if you're really looking for a way to build wealth, to work for yourself, to leave a legacy, like this video, save it so you can watch it for later, follow me, and drop info in the comments, and I'll send you the step-by-step blueprint. Check it out for yourself. If it's for you, reach out to me with any questions you have. Not for you, that's fine. Keep looking for something else. I highly recommend this program, though. It's worked for me. It's worked for thousands of other people. Fortune favors the bold. Today can be the start of your new life.